Back to the car show at the Elks Club, Riverside, hot August nights.
So if you think you've got it, you feel it inside you, don't let it slip away. You may not ever find what you never thought you'd have anyway. You've always had it, just realize it. You know how lucky you are.
Wanna buy an opportunity?
Let's get Saturday as it.
Okay. Opportunity? I got the
Okay, so you only got one battery in this and you're playing all that?
I do.
How many went down?
Hey man, what model did they call this? 2+2?
No, it's just basic fastback.
That's it. Fastback then.
67 fastback.
That's it. It's
That's a
fastback.
70. This is not original paint.
You say it's 67?
Paint's off of a 2019 Toyota pickup.
You took it right off that truck?
Right off the truck, stripped it down. It was hard glued at that smooth.
Skin it alive, huh? Nice car, man.
Thank you.
What else was there? I had to hit him playing times. Doesn't look like a lot more showed up, so I do like this. Okay, I'm gonna do a how many minutes we in there? About 2 minutes. Let's try and do this, man. Boys aren't getting any younger, guys. This is going to be 10 years. Half these people will be gone. I'll introduce myself to everybody.
So are you in the activities too? Do you have a group?
This is their life. The Elks Club. That's a nice looking truck. I want to do that. I'll do a single of that. And a 68 Chevelle. Okay. I am going to end this right now. Everybody have a great weekend. I've got another show in the morning and I got to stop and work on my car. Get that done. Everybody have a great weekend. Subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos. But this is the California Hot August nights in Riverside, California.